Hello guys, we are back with our next topic. In this topic, let us discuss about a knapsack problem, guys. Okay, so this problem is given by this scientist, you can say. So you can just pronounce the name, guys. I'm not good with them. Sorry for that. Okay, so first of all, let me introduce you what is this knapsack problem. Okay, so for this problem, let us assume that you are a thief, guys. Okay, so you'll be understanding more clearly if I take these kind of examples. Okay, yes. So you are a thief. Okay, so you carry a bag, right? So whenever you are going to rob some houses, what you will do, you will carry a bag, right? So to store the items. So your bag is having some limited weight m. Okay, so let me write it as a 10 kgs. Okay, and inside this house there are a ton of items, guys. So there are a total of 5 different items with their weights and profits respectively. So this weight is a 5 kgs and its cost is 500. Similarly, if this weight is a 10 and this cost is 1000. Similarly, this weight is 2 kgs and its cost is 1000. Okay, 100. So this weight is a 1 kg and its cost is 1000. And this weight is a 1 kg and its cost is 300. So in this way, you are having multiple items, right? Yes. And now your weight, maximum bag weight is 10 kgs. So if it crosses 10 kgs, your bag will tear off and you cannot carry anything. So that is the reason why you should maximize the weight, and our goal is to get the maximum profit out of the house. So that is the question here. So this is a greedy method because we try to solve it with a greedy approach, guys. Got it? Yes. So now you got the idea of problem, right? So you are a thief and you have a bag. So now you want to rob that house and your bag is having some minimum weight, and that house is having multiple items with weights and profit. So profit is nothing but the money which you get if you sell it. Okay, yes. So now you want to do it, right? Yes. So now let us go through the theoretical concept which is written in the book. Okay, so knapsack problem is a problem in combinatorics optimization. Okay, given a set of items, I told you, so these are the 5 items, right? Yes, items, each with weight and determined, okay, and value. So here we are having weight and the profit. So instead of profit, they are calling it as value. Okay, so the goal is determine the number of each items to include in the collection, so that the total weight is less than or equal to given limit and total weight is largest as possible. So here our goal is to maximize the weight. So you can reach up to 10 kgs. You can reach exact value, you can reach, but you should not cross it, and you want to maximize the profit, guys. So profit, how much possible you want to take from that particular house. Got it? Yes. So any knapsack problem has 2 ways of approaches, guys. So the first approach is a normal approach, that is called as a fractional approach, and the second approach is a 0/1 knapsack, guys. So the clear idea about fractional approach is, so assume these items are weights of some food items, guys. So 5 kgs of rice, 10 kgs of tomatoes, 2 kgs of onions. So in that way, so these are the weights of some items. So at that time, instead of if you carry this 5 kgs, okay, and you want to carry these 5 kgs from this, so you can break them, right? So the first item I'll carry 5 kgs, and the second item also I'll carry 5 kgs. That is nothing but 5/10, right? Yes. And rest all items I will carry 0/0. So in this way you can carry, right? So that is a fractional. So you can break them into parts. And whereas the second item, assume them as electronics. So can you break electronics and can you get money, guys? You cannot, right? So if there is a smartphone of 20,000 or 10,000, if you break it half and if you give it in a shop or somewhere, will they give 5,000? No, right? Yes. So that is the main reason why this fractional knapsack could be used. So at that time you can take the full item and you cannot take half of item. So that is the concept with fractional knapsack. Okay. Yes. Okay, so in this lecture, let us continue first with the fractional knapsack, guys, because that's the most commonly asked, because a few students might confuse with those problems, right? Yes. Okay, so assume that we are having objects O1 to ON. Okay, similarly weights W1 to WN. Okay, similarly profits P1 to PN. Okay, so this is just an introduction of the problem. Okay, so our fractions which we are assuming, I told fraction, right? Yes. So we are assuming them as xi. So for item 1, x1. For item 2, x2. For item 3, x3. In that way. Got it? Yes. And the item value or the fraction value should lie between 0 and 1, less than or equal to 1. Got it? Yes. So now let us take a small problem, guys, because once you understand a problem, you are going to solve any kind of problem based on this particular concept, guys, because these problems are really easy. The only thing which you should need is practice, guys. Just to practice one more problem. In GATE also, I think there are around 3 to 4 problems on this topic. So you can expect a question, right? Yes. Okay. So assume that we are having 3 different objects, right? So O1, O2, O3, and our maximum bag weight is 20 kgs. Got it? Yes. So assume that I am greedy with respect to weights, guys. Okay. Weights or profits. So what shall we take? So let us take first profits, because we'll be greedy about profit, right? Yes. So assume that I'm greedy about profit. So I don't know how much weight it might be. If it is giving more money, I'll carry it. That's it. I'm blindly following my methodology. That is a profit. So which is having maximum profit? 25, right? Yes. So I will carry this first item full, because how much I am having weight, guys? So I'm having 20 and this item weight is 18. So I am left out with 2 kgs, right? Yes. So means I can carry this whole item. Okay. Yes. And now moving on. So this item is completely gone. So now we are left with these 2 items. So among these 2, which is maximum? 24. So now if I try to carry 15 kgs item, so can I carry? No. I'll be left out with 13 kgs. So I'll be carrying 2 by 15. So among those 15 kgs, I'll carry 2 kgs. Got it? Yes. And the last item I cannot carry because I'm out of space. Got it? Yes. Okay, so now this whole thing will end up at a weight of 20 kgs, right? So this will carry 18 kgs, this will carry 2 kgs. So in total 20 kgs. So just give me a second, guys. Okay, sorry for that, guys. Okay, yes. So let us continue. So here the total weight is 20. What about profit is your question, right? Yes. So what is the profit if I carry 1 kg of it, guys? So it is nothing but 1 into 25, right? Plus, so what is the profit if I carry 2% or 2 by 15 of this item? So its profit is 24 plus 0 into the profit is 15. So what is the result, guys? So the result will be 28.2, guys. Okay. So now if I follow this method, that is a greedy about profit. So I'm really greedy. I want more and more money. So in that situation, I can get a maximum of 28 rupees with these items. Got it? Yes. Okay. So you got an idea, right? So that's what exactly it is written here. Okay. So now let us be greedy with respect to weights, guys. Okay. So what if I am greedy with respect to weights? Like basically I'll take the least weighted item, least weighted item, least weighted item again and again. So in that situation, do I get more profit? Do you think so? Let us check. Okay. So greedy with respect to weights. Okay. So the first item which I take is O3, right? So I will try to take the full item, because 20 minus 10, still I am left out with 10 kg. So I can carry O3 full and I can carry some part of this O2, right? Yes. So I can carry 10 by 15 of this O2 and I cannot carry any part of O1, right? Yes. Okay. So if you try to calculate the profit, now it will be 25 into 0. Okay. 24 into 10 by 15. Okay. Similarly, 1 into 15. So what will this result be is 31, guys. So you will get the result as 31. So now if you observe, you can clearly say that based on this question, I'm not saying every time, based on this question, if you are greedy with respect to weights, I could have got more profit. Okay. So now your question will be, okay, so then if a question is given and we should try all the methods, the answer is no. Using a simple method, that is nothing but greedy with respect to, okay, so greedy with respect to profit by weight ratio. So if you do these operation and if you take it in descending order from maximum to minimum, you will get the maximum profit, guys. Okay. So the first item, profit by weight, right? So 25 by 18 will be the first item's value. 24 by 15 will be the second item's value. 15 by 10 will be the third item's value. So if you calculate it, the values which you will get is 1.38, 1.6 and 1.5. So the maximum weight which I can carry is 20. So let us start pushing them. So this is having the maximum profit. So let me try pushing that whole item. So it will carry 15 kgs. So I am left out with 5 kgs. So from first item I can carry 5 kgs. Got it? Yes. So if you calculate the profit for this, you will get 31.5, guys. So with this simple understanding, you can say that profit by weight ratio will obviously gives you the maximum weight, because of what it is exactly doing, guys. So here if you carry 1 kg, you will get 1.38 rupees. If you carry 1 kg, you will get 1.6 rupee. If you carry 1 kg, you will get 1.5 rupees. So in that way, based on those profits with respect to weights, with ratios, you are solving it. So that is the reason why always a profit by weight ratio will give you the maximum result, guys. Got it? Yes. Okay, so now you got an idea, right? So that's what exactly is written in the book also. Okay, similarly, if we can take either one or full, so basically if it is a 0/1 knapsack, you'll be doing the same process, guys. Okay, yes. So in this example, so based on our example, it is better to carry the maximum weight because we cannot carry two items, right? We can carry only one item if it is maximum of 20 kgs, and you can carry only full item or zero items. So at that time you can carry O1 and you can get 25 rupees as the profit. Got it? Yes. So now I hope everyone got a clear idea about knapsack problem, right? So how exactly you can solve it. Okay. So in PYQ quiz we are having around 2 to 3 problems on this particular topic. Okay? So we'll be discussing them in our PYQ quiz section. Okay. Yes. So I hope everyone got a clear idea. So in the next lecture, let us go through more important topic than our knapsack. So that concept is a job scheduling, guys. Okay. Yes. So let us meet in the next lecture and discuss about it. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe for more awesome videos like this. Thank you.